What's up, gentlemen? So you may have noticed if you've watched any of my videos that I have a lot of energy. It's not an act, I do. And there are a few things that I do during the day that allows me to have more energy, honestly, than most people. And today I'd like to go over some powerful ways that you can boost your energy level. The first powerful thing that you can do to have more energy during the day, obviously, is sleep. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on this, but you've gotta start prioritizing sleep, making sure that not only you're getting enough of it, but the sleep that you're getting is quality slumber. The second thing I want you to do to have more energy is get out in the sunshine early in the day. Circadian rhythm, say it with me, gentlemen, circadian rhythm is the name of the game. And if you are expecting to get amazing sleep, you gotta make sure you are getting out into the sunshine early in the day. Not only is the sunshine going to make you feel good, it's going to wake you up and it's going to help reset your biological circadian clock. Doesn't matter if it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. Do yourself a favor and get outside into the sunshine first thing in the morning. The other thing I want you to do in the morning, if possible, is to exercise, which is number 3. One of my secrets is that I exercise in the morning, right? Not only is it going to help get your day off to an amazing start, it's going to give you an energy boost for the rest of the day. One of the problems with dudes exercising later in the evening, not only do you lose all of the benefits of having more energy during the day, you also are affecting your ability to fall asleep fast. But Alpha, how am I supposed to exercise? I need 8 hours. You just said, gentlemen, it's about reverse engineering your day. If you know you got to be at school or at work at a specific time and you need an extra hour, that means you got to get up an extra hour earlier, which means you got to go to bed an extra hour earlier. Boom, bang, exactly. The next thing that's bang is the amount of water I drink. I actually technically drink over a gallon a day. And you know what? My pee is clear. I'm talking crystal clear, gentlemen. If your pee is dark, if it's yellow, this means that you are dehydrated. What you're gonna notice, if you actually start giving your body enough water in order to pee clear, your body is going to reward you. Not only is your skin gonna be super sexy, you're gonna look better, you're gonna feel better, and your energy level's gonna go through the roof. Coffee and caffeine doesn't hurt either, which is the next thing I would like to talk about. I have never drank an energy drink. The reason is that I know what's in them. Shit. Gentlemen, energy drinks are full of shit. Now, caffeine in and of itself is not bad, and that is one of the reasons why I love my coffee, right? 2 cups a day. I drink a cup in the morning. I also drink a cup around noon. But then I found these, and I eat one of these around like 3 o'clock. Gentlemen, if you haven't tried a Verb caffeinated energy bar, ridiculous. Actually, I think while I pitch these, I'm gonna have a caramel macchiato. It's a new flavor. Anyway, so here's the deal. These things have changed my game, all right? They're called Verb Energy, all right? It's a small little bar, but in each one, it's gonna give you the equivalent caffeine of 1 shot of espresso. There's 65 milligrams of caffeine from organic green tea. Now, the reason why I love this is that it doesn't make me all jittery, and it doesn't also make me like crash, because the truth is, these have like 4 times less sugar than a Cliff Bar. There are only 90 calories per bar, and guys, the taste, unbelievable. So caramel macchiato is a new flavor that is insane. If you like coffee, you are absolutely gonna love this. But one that is definitely a crowd pleaser for everybody, and I had to actually fight my wife for these because she was like, yo, don't take them. I'm like, shut up, I gotta film a video, is the cinnamon roll. These are like, they even, like, let me show you. It even has like the cinnamon roll like drizzle. Like, these things are so dangerous because not only are they amazing in terms of a little boost of energy later in the day when you're feeling a little bit sluggish, you can also eat them in the morning. But the reason these things are so dangerous is they are so delicious. I've eaten like 3 bars. I'm gonna be like really energetic. Here's the deal, gentlemen. If you want to check out Verb Energy, I'm going to link to them down below. There is an offer that you cannot miss. So below this video, there are 2 very special links. You've got to go through these links in order to get this deal. All right, the first link is going to give you 50% off a 12-bar starter pack, plus 3 free bars. You pick whichever bar you want, and you're gonna get a 12 pouch of the bar, right? The cinnamon roll, insane. The caramel macchiato, ridiculous. The chocolate chip banana bread, insane. The peppermint mocha. I'm telling you, these things are so freaking delicious, it's ridiculous. And they're only 90 calories. But you're also gonna get 3 free additional bars of different flavors to try if you hit that link, that first link down below, and use the code ALPHAM. You're also gonna get free shipping and a money-back guarantee. So if you don't love them, gentlemen, no big deal. But if you're somebody that's already been like, yo, I'm already down with Verb, they are insane. Alpha, you got anything for me? Yes, Alpha's got something for you. The second link down below is gonna give you 30% off a bundle of the caramel macchiato flavor. Bottom line, if you are looking for a little way to boost your energy level, you gotta hit that link down below and check out Verb Energy. They are the most delicious way you are gonna get a little energy boost. It also helps fight that craving. Guys, hit the link down below for new members. That first link is gonna give you 50% off of a starter pack. You pick whichever 12 bar bundle you want, and then they're going to also throw in 3 extra bars, which technically makes it like over 60% off. Dude. Sorry, one second. The next powerful way to boost your energy level is to leave Big Al alone until later in the day. Let me explain. So have you ever noticed that after you hang out with Big Al, right, you're a little bit sluggish, you're like, damn, I could use a nap, right? You think it's an accident? No, because when you actually have one of the babies, right, then some things happen. Chemicals get released in your brain, oxytocin, oxy stuff. Anyway, it doesn't matter. What does matter is it makes you tired. And when you're tired, you don't feel as energetic. And so one thing that I have noticed is by eliminating doing that earlier in the day, it's going to make you more energetic. And then later in the day, in the evening, if you want to give Big Al a little go, right? Take him for a spin, no big deal. It's going to actually relax you and help you sleep better. Speaking of relaxing, let's talk about the next trick, which is reduce stress. Stress, gentlemen, if you're all freaking stressed out all the time, right? What happens, right? You spend so much time and energy, cortisol levels going crazy. It actually makes you sleepy and sluggish and unmotivated. It's all about managing and eliminating the stress wherever possible. Now, a few things that you can do. Get rid of shitty people. If you're somebody that is around horrible people, then get rid of them. If you hate your job, get a new job. If you're somebody that doesn't exercise, exercise, because for me, that is the reason why. One of the reasons. One of the other reasons is that I look sexy. Oh, mama, the verbs are kicking in. I literally ate like 5 of them. A little bit more than I should have. Anyway, gentlemen, the next thing I got to tell you about in terms of boosting energy level, which is super powerful, is omega-3. There was a study done in 2009 where they took like 150,000 dudes. Might have been slightly less than that, but here's the idea. They gave these dudes, right, 21 days, they made them take omega-3 capsules. And what they found is that they actually tested their mental cognition and found that the dudes that supplemented were actually faster than the dudes that didn't. The other upside is that the dudes that took the fish oil actually reported being and feeling more vigorous, energetic, and powerful. The next super freaking powerful way that you are gonna boost your energy level is lose all those extra lbs, love handles, man boobs. Gentlemen, if you got them, it's time to excommunicate them from your body. Research, yeah, I don't need research. Listen to me. If you are carrying around extra weight, 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 20 pounds, 50 pounds, there is 0 chance that you are gonna feel as good and be as energetic as possible. Lose that fat ass. Which brings me to the next powerful way that you are going to boost your energy level naturally, and that is eat a healthy diet. If you are eating a diet that is high in starchy carbohydrates, gentlemen, there is 0 chance that you are going to be energetic during the day. It is about eating a healthy diet full of super sexy vitamins, lean, sexy proteins, not to mention vegetables, lots of vegetables. And that's it, gentlemen. Some simple not simple and easy. If it was simple and easy, everybody would doing it. Effective, powerful, and effective ways that you can naturally boost your energy levels. I want you to try it. Even if you do 1 of them or 2 of them or 3 of them, you are going to notice a big difference in your daily energy and activity level. Now, if you do these things and you're still feeling lazy and sluggish, guys, there's a chance that something else might be going on with you, so go to a doctor, get it checked. But bottom line is you are sexy and amazing.